Tiny Reviewer. Mystery reviewing item every time. Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. It's Tiny Reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing a toy, really now. Finger game. It's a hockey game. So I got this at Dollar Tree, which means, as you guys know, everything is $1. So I got this for $1, so no need to know the price. So I'm gonna just, demonstrate. Warning, choking hazard. A toy contains small balls and small parts. Not for children under 3 years of age. Instant directions. Game must be played on a hard level surface. Toss a coin to decide who serves first. Server places the ball on the center circle. So it's probably not uneven, so it will roll around. When a goal is scored, the opposing player serves next. Penalty points may be awarded against the player who moves the table during the play. So you don't need 2 balls, it's just a spare, so you only need 1, really. So I'm gonna ask my dad to open it because I'm not a good opener when these packages. So here it is. So there's 2 balls. Green alien, huh? I'm not really just a fake one. There's 2, it's just a spare. I'm gonna put a ball, whatever that is, and on the center circle, which is this circle. So it's gonna roll away. So like that, and yeah. So that's gonna be, so when it goes here, it's gonna go here. So my dad's gonna play with me. So let me put, so coin flip, tails, my dad's gonna put it there, and so that's my dad's hand. I just play. See? That's how you're supposed to play. So if you guys know the other game, I'm not sure what it's called. They use handles to move little men and try to kick the ball into each other's goal. That use handles, but this one we use these little knobs at the end to move that part. So some people have those big ones, but if you guys, since I have a small table, that's why I call it Tiny Reviewer. So I have a small table, so I have no room to put that, the big thing, because this table also takes up a lot of room in our living room. So yeah. So if you can't do that, dollar store, it's in the toy corner. And there's also other sports. We just bought the hockey one because I thought it was fun. There's also a basketball one, and in the other toy section, there is even a football one. So if you guys enjoy those sports, buy that. It's gonna be fun. Let me know in the comments below. And if you can, share me a video on what you guys bought and how do you play it, so maybe I could try someday. Because right now, we have the hockey set. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna be playing this right now with my dad. So before I play it, subscribe and press the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!